sky was holding its breath tonight, like it knew what we couldn't say. Your eyes were mirrors of broken light as the silence pulled us away. The streets were empty, the moment froze, every step felt like goodbye. I held the truth we were scared to know, while the clouds began to cry. Every word we never saved is beating like a drum. I was begging you to stay, but I knew the end had come. In the last rain, we're falling, falling again. Your name in every sound as it's pouring on the ground. In the last rain, we're burning just to remain. If this is where we lose the fight, hold me close in the last rain tonight. Your hand was shaking inside of mine, like the world was standing still. All the stars in a broken line couldn't tell us what we feel. We were fire in a fragile frame, too bright not to break. Still I'd walk through it all again for one more breath you take. Hear your heartbeat in the dark, every echo feels the same. Love leaves bruises on the heart, even when it says your name. In the last rain, we're falling, falling again. Your name in every sound as it's pouring on the ground. In the last rain, we're burning just to remain. If this is where we lose the fight, hold me close in the last rain tonight. Say you'll remember my face when the storm finally fades. Say this love wasn't in vain, even if we don't stay. Last rain, don't let go just yet. In the last rain, we're falling, falling again. Your name in every sound, heaven crashing to the ground. In the last rain, we're breaking but we remain. If this is how our stars ignite, hold me close in the last rain tonight. When the sky turns clear again, I'll still hear your name in the last rain.